It's travel day, and I don't know how much of this you'll be able to hear of me because I woke up this morning with totally no voice. Feeling fine apart from the no voice thing. Blinking typical. We booked this trip so I could do some vlogging, and now I can't even talk. So we booked this trip yesterday. It was very, very last minute, but we saw a deal come up, and it was flying with TUI, flying from Gatwick into Melbourne. Transfers were included. It's for a week. We're staying at the Ramada Plaza, just off International Drive, behind Murphy's, if you know where that is. And the price was £814 per person, which I think is really good for August. So we're on our way now. We booked National Express that's leaving from Newport up to Gatwick. We're staying the night in the hotel just opposite Gatwick Airport. That was £106 for the night for a double room. And then we fly tomorrow at 10:10 tomorrow morning into Melbourne. So very, very excited. Whirlwind for emotions because, like I said, we booked very, very last minute. But yeah, really excited is the overwhelming one. And looking forward to showing you around the new things that are in Universal Studios. So, of course, we'll take you with us. So we're here in the Premier Inn. This is our Premier Inn room. I won't do a room tour because every Premier Inn room is pretty much the same apart from the better level, which is level 9 here. Which you pay a little bit extra for, but this room is fine for us. It's really nice. It took us 4 hours 10 minutes to get here by coach, which is why we travelled up the night before. Returning, it's going to take us another 4 hours 10 minutes, or maybe longer, depending on traffic, and that's after we land. So it's going to be tough coming home, but I'm trying not to think that far ahead at the moment. I've just realised that I've left my hair straighteners and my hairbrush at home. So I'm really gutted about that because I can buy another hairbrush, but I've got quite nice GHD hair straighteners, which I can't just pop out and buy another lot when we get to Orlando or in the airport. So I'm gonna maybe work on Pandy, see if I can get a cheap hair straighteners in the airport. And if I can't, it'll be fun for you guys to watch me for the rest of the holiday, because my hair does really frizz in Orlando. I use all different products on it, and it's still, I find the best way to stop it from frizzing is by using a hair straighteners. But that being said, yeah, I'm happy, looking forward to our flight tomorrow at 10:10, and Pandy's gonna have a shower. And we're going to go for something to eat here at the Premier Inn in Gatwick North. So, see you soon. We just asked Stanley start serving breakfast tomorrow. I think it's every day of the week, 4 o'clock. 4 o'clock for continental. That's the word I was looking for that I couldn't remember. And 4:30 for full cooked breakfast, which is worth knowing here in Gatwick, because I'm sure the others don't do it that early. So yeah, we're just about to order our meal after a quick shower and change. Good morning. Still no voice. It's getting better though. We just checked into Gatwick Airport, flying to Orlando. Queue for TUI was 43 minutes. Thank you, Pandy. So quite a long queue, but still we're excited, so we don't mind lining up. Here's Pandy.
Good morning.
He's with me. I got a new approach to getting Pandy on the videos with me. Just shove the camera in your face.
I'm tired now.
Yeah. Too.
Yes. The other plane goes straight to sleep, I think.
Yeah. Through security was really, really quick, wasn't it? Like
about 5 minutes or so.
Yeah.
Really quick, really good.
So it went from queuing up to check in through security. It was like as if we were fast track, but we weren't. So yeah, just a quick 5 minutes through. So I hope the flight feels like that. Do you think it will?
Yeah, well, the amount of time I'm asleep on it now,
Yeah, keep our fingers crossed for a nice, quick and easy flight. Just got on board and we're on Pixie Dust, name of the aircraft. And we're sat right at the back. Welcome to Orlando. I was just about to do a room tour and Pandy just collapsed on the bed. He went to lie down and he's too soft.
I think it's just softer. I think that was a bit hard. I think that was a bit harder. Yes, today I was sick here.
Yes, so we just got into the Ramada Plaza. It's the first time we've stayed here. We are booked to stay here next month as well when we come for a long weekend. Watch out for that vlog. Before I do the room tour, a big hi to the people we just met on the bus that shared the bus with us. There was a lovely lady sat behind us and her husband, and I asked if she watched YouTube videos about Orlando and she said yes. So she's promised to subscribe, thank you very much. And then she invited the rest of the bus to subscribe. So hopefully we've got another, I think there was 12 of us all together, so maybe we've got another 10 would be nice. Thank you so much if you did subscribe. So yes, I'll do the room tour of the Ramada Plaza. The bed is messy now because Pandy laid in it. So as you come through the door, you've got ironing board and iron there. That's the wardrobe, I'm guessing. This is the bathroom door. I don't like this, it's like a prison door. I'm trying to be positive. The bathroom, this is a nice space, yeah, nice and clean. It's got a hairdryer in and some soap which we've opened. We have washed our hands. Some towels. They do housekeeping here every 3 days, but if you need anything you just ring down and they will bring you more of whatever you need. So we were just checked in by Joseph. Thank you very much, Joseph. And I think the other lady's name was Deborah. She had a name badge on. So yes, there's 2 queen size beds, king size beds, whatever you want to call them there. A little writing desk there. What do you think of the room, Pandy?
Yeah, it seems clean enough. Quite obviously dated for like Americans do, don't they?
Yeah.
But yeah, it seems right. Seems clean enough. We'll have a look now next week.
Yeah. So TV, nice size fridge there, microwave there, nice and clean, ice bucket, 3 drawers. I've already had a look, there's nothing within the drawers. And over here, right, bedside lamp, telephone, phone rakes. The beds, Pandy said, are very squashy. Another table there, and 1970s curtains, and a table and chairs there. In the distance is our usual hotel. We either stay in Surfside or Dockside, so that's Surfside and Dockside. And the one with the ball on, you can see just there is 4 points. Yeah. And the lake, and then the pool looks quite nice, the outdoor areas. Yes, so that was the room tour of the where are we? Ramada Plaza, or as my daughter said, I must say, the Ramada Plaza. So whichever way you want to pronounce it, that's a room tour. And stay tuned for more videos from us back here in Orlando. We're very excited to be back. Bye.